Oops, no. Hi, this is Sambava again. This is before to now. That's my house right there, down there. Zooming, zooming, zooming. That's my little hut in before it, where I grew up. And I am going for a visit for about 3 days. Look at the countryside. Well, it's really green. So nice. Everything so beautiful here, so peaceful. You hear that? How quiet it is. Yep, that's the road. That's the road we take when we go to the fort. Just a little path. See that? The surrounding? Wow. Really cool, eh? Yes. There you go, zoom in. That's my house right there. On top of the hills, in the middle of nowhere. I love this place.